Chapter 12, Lesson 2, page 635. To find a slope of a line, we need to find 2 points on that line. So, if I have 2 points in a line and I need to find the slope, let's start solving. Question 1. We have 2 points on a line. First point is 2, 2 and 5. The other one is 3 and 6. How we will solve this one? Okay, we will put this one as the first point and this one second point. So here it will be y1, this will be y2, and here this will be x1, this will be x2. You got it? So we have here our formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or rate of change for y over rate of change for x. Let's put our rule and solve. So the slope here will be y2, that means 6, minus y1 is 5 over x2 is 3 minus x1 is 2. So here 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, so our slope here equals 1. Next question, question 2. Our 2 point is 2 and 6, 0 and 2. What we will do now, we will take this as y1, okay, and this as y2. So this will be x2, this will be x1. You can change, no problem. You can make this part, you can make this part as x1 y1 and this part as x2 y2, and it will give you same solution. Let's see how. First I will put our rule. Our rule is y2 minus y1. y2 is 2 minus y1 6 over 0 minus 2. Okay, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, minus will go out with minus because minus divided minus, and 4 divided 2 is 2. So the slope here is positive 2. The slope here is positive 2. Let's try to take this part as x1 and this as x2. Okay, so I will put our rule. y2, that's mean here 6, minus y1, that's mean 2, and x2, it's mean 2 minus x1 is 0. So 6 minus 2 is 4 and 2 minus 0 is 2. The answer here is positive 2. So I have the same answer. So it's okay to change the pair of points. You can start from this one or this one. It's same answer. Let's go next. Question 3. We have negative 2 and 4. The other point is 6 and 6. How we will find the slope here? First, we have to put this as x1 and this x2. Here I will take this number y1 and this y2. We can change, no problem. Let's put our rule. y2 is 6 minus y1 is 4 over x2 is 6 minus negative 2. Okay, I put -2 in a bracket because here -2 it's different from the sign outside. The sign outside is minus, so I have to put the -2 inside brackets. How we will find the answer? 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 2, it means I have to multiply the minus inside. Minus multiplies 9, minus is positive. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 over 8, we will simplifying, divided by 2 up, dividing by 2 down, it will equals 1 over 4. So our slope here is 1 over 4. Let's go. Next part of our question here we have determine whether each graph shows a constant or variable rate of change. What did this mean? It means that what's mean of constant rate of change or variable? It means that the slope is constant in all through the line, no change in slope in any part of the line. Like this one, you can check here this one. If I draw here triangle and find the slope in any part of the line, it will be same. See this triangle, if I put it in anywhere of the line, it will be same, no change. See, triangle, no change. So here that means that we have here constant slope or constant rate of change. So our rate of change is constant in all the line. Can we check the question 5 here? So question 4 is a constant rate of change. Question 5. Question 4 here is a constant rate of change. Let's make it with red so it will be clear. Question 5. Here in question 5, let's see how. Let's see here the rate of change or the slope is different on the line or not. You can see that this part we have constant line. This part we have constant line. But here in this area, it's not a constant line. In this area, the slope here will be 0 because it's parallel to x. So here, this part, the slope in this part is 0. And the slope here is positive and slope here is positive, but in this part it's 0. So I have here change. I have here variable rate of change. Here is different from here, So 5 is variable rate of change. We have here same. We have in this part here, this part the rate of change is negative. This part rate of change is positive. This part rate of change is different from this part. This is positive and here is negative, and then again this is negative. So each part of the line we have different rate of change, we have different slope. So this one will be variable rate of change. So any line has a constant rate of change. If it's not a line and has curved part, so it's not a constant, it will be variable rate of change. At the end, your homework will be page 635 from question 8 to question 13.